In this part, we'll take a look at the audio properties and effects. So let's import audio and drag it into the track. So I'll just go into this audio option and I'll just simply drag this drift track into the audio track. And now I'll just simply go to the audio properties either by double clicking on it or else by single clicking on it and clicking on this properties option. So here the first option that you can see is fade in and the second one is fade out. So fade in means, for example, if you want to slowly increase the volume of the audio, you can use this option, and fade out to slowly decrease the volume of this audio, you can use fade out. Let's test it. I'll directly play this track once by hitting the space bar. Now you can see that the volume is full for the audio track at the beginning itself. Now I'll add a bit of fade in and now let's check out. Now you can see that the audio volume is slowly increasing. In the same way, you can add fade out as well, but there is another way to do it as well. So I'll just decrease the fade in from here, and now when I move the mouse onto this audio track, you can see this symbol here. You can simply hold it and pull it like this. So you can add fade in like this as well. For this to happen, no need to open this audio properties, you can directly do it. So okay, now let's see the fade out option as well. So I'll just pull it like this, or else if you want to see this whole audio track, means to fade out we need to go to the ending part, and I don't want to just scroll it like this. So what can I do is I'll just fit it in this timeline. So I can click on this option, zoom to fit timeline, or else press Shift Z. So I'll just simply click on this. So you can see that the audio has been fit to this timeline and I can see the ending of this track. Now I can use fade out as well. So you can see there it's being applied. So this was about fade in and fade out. Now let's take a look at the pitch. So to take a look at the pitch, I'll just simply delete this audio track and now I'll record my voice once. So I'll just simply click on this option, record a voiceover, and select the device, that is my mic. I'll select Samsung Go mic and I'll simply click on record. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. So I'll just simply click on OK. And now the recorded voice has been added to the timeline. So let's just play and check it out. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. So I want to just zoom this track so that I can see the wave clearly. So I'll just zoom it like this. A bit more. And you can zoom it in this way as well, right? So okay. So you can see that till here there is no voice, that is the useless portion. So I'll just simply split till there. So I'll select this clip and click on this option, or else I can also use Ctrl B to split it. Now it has been divided into two parts. I'll just select this beginning part and I'll hit Shift Delete, which is ripple delete, so that the remaining portion of the tracks move to the beginning. Right? Now I can just split away the ending portion as well. So I'll just select on it and hit Ctrl B. The portion is divided. Now I can hit delete. Now let's take a listen to it. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. Okay, right? The portion that I wanted has been selected here. Now I'll just go to the properties either by double clicking on it or else by clicking on this as well. So I'll just double click it and I'm back to the audio properties of this audio clip. And now I'll change the pitch towards the right side and you can see that it sounds funnier, cartoon style. I'll just play it.
Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora.
And I'll change it a bit more and play it again.
Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora.
And we can change it more.
Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora.
So you can experiment with it. So I can just go towards left as well. So first I'll hit reset here. So it comes back to normal. So let's hear it again. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. This is the actual voice. Now let's move it towards the left side and play it.
Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora.
A kind of bass is added to the voice. So we'll move it more.
Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora.
Right. You can move it a bit more as well and you can experiment with it.
Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora.
So let's reset it. Now below that option you have equalizer. You can add equalizers as well. Here there are different presets mentioned. So for example, I'll just select classic and let's play it. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning. Let's try low bass. Filmora. Hello, this is Heminder and you can see the difference. So I'll use techno here. You're learning Filmora. Hello, this is Heminder and okay, you can even customize it from here. So if you're good at it. So okay, I'll just remove it. Simply click on OK. And if you wish, you can reset it back to normal. Now, if you want to remove the background noise, you can simply click on this option, remove background noise, and this is activated. So let's play and check it once. So learning Filmora. You can change the intensity of this effect from here. So I'll just change it to mid and let's try it again. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. So I can see that the background noise is removed. If we try strong. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. Okay, right. So I hope that you have understood this option. Now let's take a look at this volume section. First of all, if you just want to see the volume levels while playing, you can simply click on this option and you can view the volume levels here while you're playing the track. And you're learning, right? The same thing is here, but with a small variation. Here you can change but with a small variation, which we'll see in a moment. So I'll just simply delete this track right now and I'll just import an music into the track. Now I'll play this music. Now I'll just open the properties of this audio. So I'll just simply double click on it and you can see this thing here, right? Now I'll play this and click on this. For example, I'll just move it till here and I'll just click on this keyframe here. So once I click on it, now when I play, I'll keep changing the volume and it will keep recording those things. So let's start. I'll just play it. At the bottom you can see it here. So I'll just stop it. You can also manually do it. So I'll just get it here and click on this point and it adds a keyframe. Now if you wish to, you can just move it here and reduce it. It automatically adds the keyframe. You can do it like this as well. So now let's play and check it out. You can use this when you're just editing a voiceover with the background music. So when the voiceover pauses, then you can increase the background music volume, and when the person is speaking again, you can just reduce the background music volume, right? Another thing can be done, that is, for example, if you want to hear different audio clips in both of your ears, you can do that as well. For example, I'll just simply delete this thing. I'll just get this music here. And I will add another audio track. So I'll just simply right click and click on this audio track, or else what I can do is I can simply just drag this here, another audio track at the bottom, and it adds the audio track automatically, right? So I'll just increase the height of it so that I can see it clearly. Now I'll select this track, which is drift, and double click on it so that I come here across this properties, audio properties. And here you can see L and R, so left and right. So I'll just move this thing completely towards left and I'll click on OK. Now I'll just double click on this living pulse, double click it, and I can just move it towards right completely and hit OK. Now let's play it and check out. Now you can hear each track in one of your ears, right? Means on the left you can hear the drift, and on the right you can hear this living pulse. And if you're not satisfied with these audio property settings, you can even click on this reset option here. If you're satisfied, you can click on OK. Now again, I'll just record my voice. So I'll just simply click on this option and click on record again. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. Thanks a lot. And click on OK. I'll just remove the unwanted portion here by clicking on split. Now let's just play and check it out. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. Thanks a lot. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just simply select this and I'll click on the speed option here, and you can select from slow. For example, I'll make it 0.5x and let's play it. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. You can select it from here as well. So I'll just go for fast and I'll make it some 8x. Let's hear it again. So okay, you cannot even just understand what I have said. So I'll just click on it and fast and I'll take 4x. Let's hear it again. Okay, well done. Pretty much understandable. So I'll just go for 2x. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. Thanks a lot. Good. Now again, you can just keep experimenting with this. You can go with slow 1x. So okay, you can change the speed like this, and if you click on this normal, it gets back to normal. So you can also reverse this audio clip. So once let's play it in a normal way. Hello, this is Heminder and you're learning Filmora. Okay, now let's go here and click on reverse. And now let's check out. Well, that's it for this part. In the next part, we'll see how to export an audio clip as an MP3.